Power on the machine. First, turn on the heating function. Switch to manual mode. Pass the printing film through the powder hopper. Align the printing film in the center, then turn on the front suction function. Place the powder blocker tray. Add about 2 kilograms of hot melt powder to the powder hopper. Turn on the powder spreading function, conveyor belt transport function, powder shaking function, and cold air function. Switch to automatic mode. Align the paper collector in the center. Stick the film to the empty paper core and turn on the winding function. Turn off the front suction function.